Some days we get things in, we just wonder where this project's going. So this is an older Mercury motor, and you can see someone's done some really fancy trying to brace this up. But if you look at that, it's not going to last too long. So it used to have dual steering. He wants the steering in place because it doesn't turn, so we're going back with a single rack. And he said he's having someone tried to steal his trolling motor, but this is a 24-volt trolling motor with one battery, and someone put a floor in so we can't even get to that. And that's the wiring, but it only came with one battery. So, just another day.